You are the CEO, meaning what you do matters, okay? So master this flow, then we scale. Master this flow, then we scale. So Kevin's saying, hey, I want to get to two, we did 700 grand. I want to get to 2 million on just the wholesaling side and do this and do that. And Kevin, just like he is right now, sits there like this at the top of the mountain. I am the CEO of the business and I will make this run, God damn it. And this is the way it's going to be. I agree with that. I love that. But I need you to understand, as I teach you folks to do this, I need you to do it once. I need you to get your hands dirty one time so that we can hand it off appropriately. The most phone calls I get or strategy meeting after the blueprint is, hey, yeah, I handed this. Did you do it? No, I didn't do it. So how are you going to hand it off if you didn't even do it one time for 5 minutes? Master the flow, then we scale it up. So you'll see tomorrow. Remember I said we're appropriate? You'll see tomorrow over here. Tomorrow we're going to go over scaling and leverage. So inside this tab, this is where we start handing things off. So you're the CEO, learn how to do this, Alex, and then we hand it off appropriately, right? My whole goal is to have this running smoothly for you, appropriately, so that you can sit at the top of the mountain where I ultimately want you to end up sitting. Just appointment, seller waltz, close the deal. Appointment, seller waltz, close the deal. That's where you're worth 10, 20 grand an hour, okay? Everything else needs to happen. You're the CEO, so master it, then we hand it off, okay? So very first thing, it's critical to me to do that. The second thing, remember I said doing them in order for you? Seek to master the process. Don't worry about. Seek to master the process. Don't worry about the outcome. Seek to master the process. We don't worry about outcomes. Hey, Jason, I get this question. Hey, Jason, hey, how fast once we put our foot on the gas on the blueprint and start doing the perfect investor day and just doing it over and over and over, can I close more deals? Can I close some more deals? I'm like, master the process. We don't worry about deals because deals start happening. Does everybody get that? We don't worry about that. That's a beginner's game. Okay. That is an absolute, hey, how fast can I close more? No. Put your foot on the gas and watch what happens. Okay. So seek to master the process. We don't worry about outcomes because deals start stacking. We start stacking up deals.